Welcome to my poetry channel, Prince Hamdan friends. Sometimes love is tasted not by silence but by the storm. And when two hearts clash, it's not always to break apart, but to fight for the space they share. This poem is not about perfection, it's about the honest ache of real love. The kind that argues, forgives, and keeps choosing us. Every time for those who have fought but never stopped loving, this one is for you. My love for you hasn't changed one bit. I know we are good. Words flew faster than hearts could catch. But my love for you, it don't flinch. It didn't fall, it stayed. In that silence after the storm, my heart whispered your name 1,000 times. Not with anger, not with blame, but with longing, with hope, with love. We clashed, yes, but not because we are wrong for each other. It's because we care so much it burns. It's because I want every piece of you near me, even when we disagree. I never wanted to fight you, only for you, only for us. I'd rather lose an argument than lose the warmth of your voice and the sound of my name spoken softly in your midnight breath. I want us, Lord, growing, healing, because that's still better than perfect with anyone else. I know we say things that stung, but even in the fire, you are the one I look for. You are still the reason I breathe calmly. When the world feels heavy, tell me again how we got here. Two hearts tangled in pride and passion. But please let's not forget every time I speak my truth, it's not to hurt you, it's to be real with you. I would never hide what's in my soul. You deserve my honesty even when it trembles. And if I fall short, let me rise in your forgiveness. Let me prove that my love is deeper than my anger, wider than my ego, stronger than a passing storm. When we argue, it only reminds me that you mean more to me than silence, that your voice is worth listening to, even when I don't agree. You matter, we matter, this, whatever this is, we can hold it. We are not enemies, we are a team learning how to dance through the rain, not around it. Let me hold your hand, not just when it's easy, but when it's complicated. Let me love you, not just in peace, but especially in the fire. I still want us, every version of us, even the messy, misunderstood, imperfect us. Because deep down, sure is still the one I would choose in every lifetime, after every fight, in every universe. Even when I am stubborn, I still want your kiss. Even when we clash, I still crave your hug. Even when we are silent, I am screaming inside. Please don't go. I'd rather rebuild with you than start over with someone else. Because what we have, it's not broken. It's just weak haired. And weak haired love is the strongest kind because it's been tested and it survived. So here I am, strapped of pride, lead bare in truth. I still love you completely, unapologetically, and I still believe in us, even more than yesterday. Let's fight for this love, not from it. Let's grow through this moment, not away from it. I know I am not perfect, but I am perfectly sure that life without you isn't life at all. So if you need time, take it. If you need space, I will honor it. But it's there, even a teeny door still open between us. I will walk through it with every ounce of love I carry. Let me show you again why you chose me, why I still choose you every single day. Let's not let one argument define our story. Let's make this chapter a trending point, not the end. Because we are worth the work, we are worth the tears, we are worth the traveling. I don't want perfect, I want real. And you are as real as love gets. So here is my heart, still beating your name, still aching for your touch, still praying we find our way back, not to where we were, but to somewhere stronger, somewhere more true. I miss you, not just your presence, but your soul, your laughter, the way you look at me when the world disappears. Come back or let me come closer. Let us meet again, not as enemies of a moment, but as lovers who never gave up. Because even in the quiet pain, I still believe you and I are made for forever, and forever deserves. Another chance Did this poem touch your heart? Like, comments, and share. Thanks for watching my channel. Goodbye.